Well, welcome back, guys. I guess I'm not done because I have another indicator that is 10 thousandths of an inch. That one was 5/10,000, so this is 5 times more, you know, have more resolution. I don't know about the accuracy, but yeah. So, this is the third time I'm making this video, not the previous one that I showed with that one. First time, I clicked the power button. I'm doing with the iPhone. And the second time, the application just quit. So hopefully this time everything will be fine. So as you can see, it's on there. I touch something, it moves because it's very sensitive. So I turn the motor on. It's about 1/10,000th of an inch out, and it stabilizes, or it looks like it's stabilized when the speed goes up. At the highest speed, it has some vibration. Of course, I have by machining the shaft and everything, I probably introduced some grit into the bearings, which I took them all out. I mean, but still, it just gets in there somehow. So 1/10,000th of an inch. That's why I was not able to see much on that one, because the actual runout of the shaft is very small. It's ridiculous. I'm hit. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, there's something in the bearing. See, I hit it with the hand. It makes more difference than the shaft actually is out. How sensitive that thing is. Anyway, so I had to bolt this down, otherwise there's no way you can measure anything meaningful. And let's go back to this thing, which I did by making the other videos that failed. This has some kind of something there. It shouldn't be that much. Yes, it should be. Yes, I caught it in the right place. There is no groove, so it's okay. This is fine, because the other one is a precision rod that I made a hole for it with a reamer. This I straight laid it, used the lathe, so it would be okay even if it was 1/1000th out, but it's still 3/10,000ths. It looks like, yeah, 3/10,000ths, and it's on the flange, and it gets better somehow. Yeah, it's because of the way the mechanics of it. Oops. Oop. Yeah, it's slid into that groove that thing probably made, because I use it in the lathe, and which I've been doing some hard metal, so there must have been some grit in there, and then aluminum is soft, so by rotating with that grit on the tip on the aluminum, it made some groove. You can see there is a line in there, so, and it just, because of the speed, it just move on to that part. So let's see. Oh yeah, something. Now this probably has that thing on there. So anyway, you get the point. Shaft is very nice, and even with the smaller one, I can barely read it because it's 1/10,000th of an inch out of round. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to update. All right, guys, have a good weekend.